Food hygiene is essential for the prevention of foodborne illnesses. Poor food hygiene can result in the contamination of food, which can cause illnesses such as gastroenteritis, salmonella, and E. coli. To ensure that food is safe for consumption, food hygiene tests are conducted regularly. A food hygiene test is a process used to determine the cleanliness and safety of food products. This test is carried out by trained professionals who use various methods to determine the presence of bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms that may cause foodborne illnesses. There are several types of food hygiene tests that can be conducted, including microbiological testing. This test is used to determine the presence of harmful bacteria such as E. coli, salmonella, and listeria in food products. Samples of the food are taken and tested in a laboratory to determine if they are safe for consumption. Chemical testing. This test is used to detect the presence of chemicals such as pesticides and heavy metals in food products. Samples of the food are taken and analyzed in a laboratory to determine if they are safe for consumption. Physical testing. This test is used to detect physical hazards such as glass, metal, or plastic fragments in food products. Samples of the food are taken and examined to ensure that they do not contain any physical hazards. Food hygiene tests are important because they help to ensure that food is safe for consumption. They are also used to identify areas where improvements can be made in food production and handling processes. In addition to conducting food hygiene tests, there are several steps that can be taken to ensure that food is safe for consumption. These include proper storage. Food should be stored at the correct temperature to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. Raw meat, fish, and poultry should be stored separately from other foods to prevent cross-contamination. Proper handling. Food should be handled properly to prevent contamination. Hands should be washed thoroughly before handling food, and food should be prepared on clean surfaces. Proper cooking. Food should be cooked to the correct temperature to kill harmful bacteria. A food thermometer can be used to ensure that food is cooked to the correct temperature. Proper cleaning. Surfaces, utensils, and equipment should be cleaned thoroughly to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. This includes washing dishes in hot, soapy water and cleaning countertops with a disinfectant. In conclusion, food hygiene tests are an essential part of ensuring that food is safe for consumption. They are used to identify areas where improvements can be made in food production and handling processes. By following proper storage, handling, cooking, and cleaning procedures, food can be kept safe and free from harmful bacteria.